Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have an unboxing of this bad boy right here, which, as it says on the bottom, by the way, I am recording this one-handed, so I apologize. The Apple iPhone 3rd generation SE unlocked, renewed, and it does say new, but it is actually renewed, and I believe this is called it's not the premium refurbished on Amazon. I believe it's called I'll leave it a link down below in the description to it. But it's like the regular refurbished. It's considered good or acceptable. I believe I had to again leave a link down below in the description. But let me go ahead and open this up one-handed. So we'll see what's actually inside the box. And okay. Interesting. We have the phone, which just has a bag of the actual phone. And it says a SE 3rd Gen 64 gigabyte. Okay. Inside, you also get a charger. It's not a first-party charger, third-party. You get a lightning cable. Okay. You get a SIM remover thingy. And then you get this, which usually comes with a lot of refurbished or renewed stuff. It does give you like, hey, listen, if you are going to return this, make sure you sign out of your iCloud. Make sure you go through all that kind of stuff. Turn off your iPhone in order to get this. Now, I've gotten refurbished stuff off Amazon before when it comes to phones. They're sometimes really good, sometimes kind of questionable. So I'll be interested to see the actual how this looks. I kind of just wanted to pick this up because it's $179 for an iPhone, which actually isn't like too horrendously bad. I'm gonna have to probably go through this with an alcohol wipe, but I'm trying to see on the screen. It's a little dirty, to be honest. I don't see any real scratches, which is good. If it's, again, dirty like this, I don't really care. Just use an alcohol wipe, clean it up. But, let me see if I can get it. Yeah, I mean, again, it is dirty. Oh, God, this is disgusting. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually disgusting. I wish they would just wipe this down and clean this off before sending it. Yeah. I can't say I see any scratches or problems. Let's see. Trying to get that to zoom or focus. Yeah, again, like I said, I don't see really any problems or issues. I mean, for $179, it's not bad. Now, with these refurbished or renewed products, the battery is always around 80 to 90% battery life. Like the actual overall battery of the phone. Which is kind of common. Again, even with it being renewed, I don't think it got opened up. The screws, this might have gotten opened up. The screws are actually, looks like they were taken out. This is a dirty phone altogether. We have to really clean this down. But, I mean, it is what it is. Again, this phone did come out, I believe, in 2022, I want to say. Bro, look at... That is crusty. That is crusty. Yeah. Well, shout out to Amazon for their for their renewed thing. It is very interesting, but tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.